Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Thelma's Creations and More. Today I'm excited to share with you another episode of the August Assembly Line Junk Journal Challenge from Dear Julie Drew. Today I will be sharing with you 9 journal cards that I will be making. The requirement is that they all sort of kind of look the same, and that each journal card has at least 3 decorations. I have to tell you that this is the second video. I had my phone mess up the other video for whatever reason. So I will be showing you the ones that were already made in the other video when it shut off. So this is one first. And the 3 decorations are the glitter glue here. Look at that sparkle. The bling and the sticker. If you are following the progress here, you know that I'm doing it for my devotional journal for September, and the other 2 will be up for sale. So stay tuned as the progress goes through. If you're liking what you're seeing and you're wanting to reserve one or both of the journals that will be for sale, let me know. This is another one. I love this kit. And here I put the eyelash trim from Dollar Tree. Did the stickles on, not the stickles, the glitter glue, and then a sticker down there. That's what I've been using, lace, bling, the glitter glue, and the stickers on almost all the embellishments that I've been doing. And I like it so far. It's so pretty. Look at this one. The lace, the glitter glue, and the sticker. And like I said, I was doing them along with you in the other video, but I don't know what happened. You know, it happens. Isn't it beautiful? I put a piece of lace and a bling in this one's a trim up here. Beautiful, from Hobby Lobby. The stickers are from Hobby Lobby as well. The glitter glue, I use it from Michaels. And then this one I put some seam binding that I ruffled up. Put this beautiful butterfly with the glitter glue and then the sticker. Pardon me, my voice. So I have this one left to do. Because I was almost done when my phone just went crazy on me and shut off completely. And then when I turned it back on, the video was corrupted. It said file not supported. I don't know, but can't cry over spilled milk. Pardon me, I'm getting sleepy. It's late here. So I hope you had a good day. Oh, there. So the glitter glue, I put some of this white trim and then the sticker. And so let me show them to you one by one, a close up. So I think they're very pretty. They're very simple, but I think they're elegant at the same time. They're very pretty. I'm using this kit by let me think, Creative Art and Sew on Etsy. It's called Butterfly Dreams. I love it. I love butterflies. I really like the colors that she used in her kit. And these are the journal cards. Aren't they beautiful? I think they're so beautiful. And this one. So they're the 9 journal cards. And some of them I have put printed double-sided. So some of them have this one and some of them don't. So the ones that don't, off camera. So I won't bore you because it takes quite a while. Let me do one. I will be just dressing up like this. Well, maybe I can do while we chat. So yeah, some of them were, I had printed them double-sided, some of them I didn't. Why? I guess I forgot. Quite frankly, I forgot. But, it all works out. I'm going to be doing these. I will give you a sneak peek. How about that? Since I don't have to do, I won't have a lot of minutes. I'm showing you, right, decorating with you. You all will get a sneak peek, but shh, don't tell the ones that didn't watch the video. It's a special treat just for you that are watching the video. Let me see. I will give you a sneak peek at one of the journals, because there's going to be 3. Remember, I told you I'm keeping one for my devotional journal, and then I will be putting the other 2 up for sale. And there's only going to be 2 available, well, that I'm working on right now. So let me know if you're interested in purchasing them. Are you ready for the sneak peek? I'm going to zoom out. Whoa, sorry. I moved my holder. Let me move it up. Aha. My tablet and other stuff is over there. It's a different setup. Okay, there we go. Look. This is going to be the journal one. I mean, the front cover of one. I'm decorated. I haven't sewed them in yet. Aren't the pages beautiful, guys? Printed on double-sided. This one's cardstock. This one is cardstock. Oh, I'm sorry, not that one. This one is cardstock. And I do some of them in cardstock because that's where I will be putting in pockets, so that when, you know, you stuff them with your things, it's cardstock and you'll have more strength. Here will be the pockets or the belly bands so that it can hold papers. Some pockets will be on regular coffee paper. I mean, not copy paper, but this is a 24-pound coffee paper. It's thicker than regular copy paper. This is cardstock. This will be the middle of the signature. Oops. I think it's beautiful. I can't wait to write in it in September. The images are so pretty, so feminine. It has lots of writing room because, like, these 2 pages are decorated, right? But look, there's space here and here and here and here and here. These are a lot of room to write with, but like, if I wanted to, I could just clip that there with a paper clip, which we already did paper clips. Go look at them. Go look at the other videos. We did paper clips. We did pockets. We did clusters yesterday. Then we're going to have clusters. What's next? Tags. The tags were before this one, and then these journal cards. So yeah, it's coming along. Look at that. Just beautiful. Lots and lots of space to write. Love the colors. Just love it. And this is how thick it's going to be. Of course, we still need the embellishments. We still need the things that we're going to put in here. I still need to put them in here. I need to cut the pages. These are just the pages folded up inside. Aren't they beautiful? Let me count the pages for you so you can get an idea of how many pages there is. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's 10 pages fold it in half. So that would be 40 pages, front and back, including the covers. So thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Tell me what you think about the journals, and if you're wanting to claim one of the two journals, let me know, because like I said, only 2 will be available, and the other one's going to be for me. One of them is going to be for me. So I hope you have a great day, and happy crafting, guys. Bye.